Alongside Eddie Olczyk, I'm Mike Emmerich. We'll hear from Ray Ferraro shortly. This should be a special night inside this arena. The site is Las Vegas, Nevada, where the Golden Knights look to cement their legacy in the NHL. Nearing the start, here is Eddie Olczyk.
This is exciting. We're seeing history unfold as this young franchise goes both on and off the ice here in Vegas. There's no better time to make a name for yourself than at puck track. Let's see how they do here tonight.
And we have just begun. Propelled to Jordan Staal. At least he protected his goaltender. Now it's directed to Carlson. Shoots. Not the save there. Play halted down to the ice and right.
Nobody expected an expansion team to play the way the Vegas Golden Knights did in their first season. They surprised everybody with their ability to skate, to produce offense, and create excitement.
Many thanks, Ray. Leads that charge into the zone. Trying to go to Carlson. The Golden Knights are driving it from the wing. Sends to the point. Changes the angle. And a save. A little pass from his goalie here. The Hurricanes skated up on the side. And they've got it again. Slid to Falk. Pass attempt to Aho. Gains the zone. That's a good defensive dig there. Nudged off at just the last minute, so no luck on that pass. And it's off. Lightning-like reflexes there. Great glove save. Carolina's got a face-off win. The Hurricanes have it along the side at mid-ice. Shoot! Oh, what a terrific save in close.
You got to find a way to put it in the net.
Pitching this one to Tatar. Oh, snaps the shot. Outstanding save on the chance.
Way too slow at developing 2-1-1. That gives time for the goalie to get across to make an easy stop.
Just a tad under 8 minutes played here in the first. Still scoreless. On to Nietzsche's. Carolina's winging it at neutral ice. And he's hammered.
Doc, no surprise there. We expected a physical game, and we're going to get one. That early hit is just an example of what we're going to see.
He gains the zone. Lets it go. Oh, what a great chance, but it's off the iron.
This play will stay inside the offensive zone. The goaltender got a piece of that last shot.
They win the draw. What next? Cleans it. Wonderful stop. And that one shot down the ice, and it will be an icing. Critical face-off win there. What a heavy hit.
You talk about a 5-tool player. That's one of them. What a hit.
Lets it go. He missed the net.
Or you're not going to get many chances from there, guys. He's right in the middle of the ice, and he misses the net.
Just a backhand. Routine save, but a necessary one. Passing one off now to Theodore. He won't avoid something for doing that. All right, now there's some misbehavior. I don't know if we're going to have to fill the penalty sheet here. But and so a fight has begun, sort of. One guy refuses, so now we have another.
His teammate did not want anything to do with dropping his gloves, and he's got some help.
A huge punch ends this one, and the Star is stunned.
I think his teammates were stunned, Doc, because he was involved in that fight.
Well, the whole team just rolling right over top of the visitors. The crowd is all over them right now.
The Hurricanes control from the neutral zone. shot came from just 6 inches.
Now that's a beautiful stop on a great scoring chance.
The Hurricanes with a clean win on the draw. Carolina's up the wing, controlling play now. Drill. May not have been intentional, but he got it anyway. All part of generating an offense. Little pass off the goal. Open ice hitting is not dead. That play went offside. Quick shot. Floated to the opposite corner by Eakin. Has it his own end. Takes it in from the neutral zone. Shoots one and a save. Vegas wheels it up the wing. And the play goes offside. The Hurricanes win that neutral zone faceoff. Takes that pass. Laid on to Teravainen. Terrific pad save. Oh, that was a great chance. Could this be icing? And it will be, based on the defense arriving first. Near the last minute of the first. The Golden Knights, through the neutral zone, have control. Pass to the slot. Shot! Yeah!
Always interesting, guys, after the first goal is scored, whether the team that scored is going to continue to attack or whether they'll sit back a little bit.
The Golden Knights have broken the tie. Perhaps they can build on this lead here in the first period. Quick shot. Dumped in by Carlson. The Hurricanes hopefully shifting from defense to offense in their own end. Good shooting place. Nice save there. They're going to have to do better than that to beat him. Can he clear the zone? First period has been played. An interesting start to all of this. Continuation in just a moment. It's a 1-0 game.